Events after President Uhuru Kenyatta was declared president-elect, so many take to the streets to protest the results. But they were protests that, according to the Kenya Human Rights Commission, have left 24 dead across the country. The events have not gone unnoticed as Francis Ole Kaparo, chairman of the National Cohesion and Integration Commission, has called on Kenyans and aggrieved parties to use peaceful means in resolving their grievances. Statements that were echoed by Bishop Mark Kariuki of the Evangelical Alliance of Kenya.
We therefore urge Kenyans, wherever they are, to desist and keep away from any violent demonstrations. We appreciate that every Kenyan has a right to picket, but that must be done peacefully.
Ndugu zanguni, tusitoe fujo, kwa sababu tukitoa fujo sisi ndio tutaumia. Hatutaki kuongezewa ibada za mazishi kwa sababu watu wameuawa ama wamekufa ovyo.
The clergy, however, expressed concern over the brutality witnessed in various parts of the country by security officers deployed to protect civilians. The blame has been directed to the police service for using live bullets to quell protesters, a claim that the Ministry for Interior and Coordination denies, and that which Nairobi Regional Coordinator Bernard Lemparamai continues to dispute.
No Kenyan should die because of exercising their democratic right to vote. We therefore urge the Inspector General of Police, as well as the Police Oversight Authority, to take stern action against errant officers.
These are professionals. These are people who are trained, they are well briefed, people who know the law, they know the constitution. People talk about the stray bullets. Stray bullets from who? Until investigations are done. So you must wait, you and me must wait.
But even as the clergy, NCIC and the government agree that Kenyans should exercise peace and peaceful demonstrations where necessary, the return to normalcy largely rests on the hands of Kenyans. Raquel Mugai, KT News, Nairobi.